Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome back to my channel. We'll be studying the indefinite articles today. So let's see what are these indefinite articles. An indefinite article is a grammatical term used for non-specific things and it always comes before a noun. So what are these indefinite articles in English? We have a, or you can say a, an, and some. Let's see a few examples. There is a book on the table. Here is an apple. Tia had some pasta for lunch. So, what are these indefinite articles in French? Les articles indéfinis. We have a, un, and des. We use a for masculine words, un for feminine words, and des for masculine plural and feminine plural nouns. Now folks, let's understand one thing. In English, we have a, an, and some. We do not have different articles for masculine or feminine gender. For example, we have a boy, a girl, a man, some women, etc. But that's not the case in French. In French, we have different articles for masculine gender and different articles for feminine gender. Like we will say un garçon, une fille, un homme, des femmes. Is it clear? Now in French, we have gender for things too. For example, in English, we would say a pen, a table, a book, a chair. For few more examples, a shirt. Okay? But in French, we say un stylo, une table, un livre, une chaise. So your next question will be, how do we remember? So try and learn the words in French along with their article. Around 80% of the time, the words that end in E are usually feminine words. For example, une table, it's ending in E. Une chaise, it's ending in E. Une porte, une fenêtre, un gant, un horloge. Okay, 80% of the time we will see that words that end in E are usually feminine words. But that's not the case every time. We have few words that end in E but they are not feminine but masculine words. For example, un livre, un homme, etc. Here are a few more examples. Voici un livre sur la table. Here is a book on the table. Tia mange a pizza. Tia eats a pizza. La maison a une porte bleue. The house has a blue door. Please note that in English we may not use the indefinite article, but in French it is mandatory to use one. Like in English we can say there are apples on the table, or you can also say there are some apples on the table. So if it will be wrong in French if you say il y a pommes sur la table. We have to say il y a des pommes sur la table. We can omit the indefinite article in English, but in French we have to use indefinite article. Thank you folks. Please like and subscribe my channel for more such content. See you soon. Au revoir.